today we are making a shea butter recipe, and this shea butter cream we're about to make is going to lighten your skin. So here are my shea butters. I already weighed out my shea butter. Now I don't heat up my shea butter, but you can if you want to. I'm adding in lightening powders or brightening powders into here. I would have used this to actually dissolve or melt my lightening powders, but because I am not adding any of those powders here, I'm making this lightening shea butter in another form, in another way. So just watch the video to the end. Please like, share, and kindly follow us. So I am using this particular hand mixer, okay, this particular one. So this is my book where I write in all my formulas, so never mind. So right here I'm going to whip this, and please be careful so that you don't, splash everything all over the table. You see what I'm talking about? So can you see I'm done crushing it? Can you see the way it is? So it's time to add in my lighteners and my other good oils. So I'm going to put on my scale. Now this is my astaxanthin oil. Okay, this is actually a great antioxidant. In fact, this is higher than vitamin E. The antioxidant effect here is higher than the one of vitamin E. So I'm adding my astaxanthin oil. This oil is very good. It's an antioxidant. It serves as an anti-aging oil. It fights wrinkles, it helps healing of wounds, it helps repair the skin. So this oil is very superb. It is called astaxanthin oil. I'm going to be dropping all measurements on the screen. So I'm going to add in my oil here. So next I'm adding in my fragrance oil. This is my fragrance oil. Please use original fragrance oil. Okay, I'm adding in my fragrance oil. Trust me, this fragrance oil is going to mask the odor of the shea butter completely. I'll be adding in my serum. This is Army White serum. Now this is optional. If you don't want to add it, it is fine. If you don't want to add serum, you can add in kojic dip. You can add it into your shea butter, then place the shea butter to melt on a low heat, then allow it to cool down before you whip. Alright, so you can add in your oil soluble skin lightening powders, but I am not adding in powders, I am adding in oil. So I'm going to add in this Army White oil. This oil is very effective for skin lightening. Very effective for skin lightening. Oh my god, this smells so great. So can you see, I don't want to over whip. Do not over whip your shea butter. So you can decide to add in more serums if you want. And if you don't have shea butter, you can decide to use cocoa butter, mango butter, whichever butter of your choice. And do not forget, our skincare class is ongoing, so please kindly enroll for our skincare class so that you can learn more in case you want to start selling skincare products. You want to start making skincare products in large batch for retailers as a wholesaler. Just enroll by sending a WhatsApp message to the number you're seeing up there on the screen. Like, check this out, so easy to make. If you whip more than this, it's going to be softer, but I don't like to over whip my body butters. Okay, so I'm going to leave it this way. So this is our body butter. You can see how fluffy it is. Yeah, it's not too light, it's not too thick. If you want to add serums, more serum, you can add more serum. Yeah, this will still take more serum. All right, so thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.